I'm Mai from My Healthy Dish, and today I'm at the Farmers Market in Thrive City, a space created by Kaiser Permanente and the Golden State Warriors to support total health. It's American Heart Month, and Dr. Linda Xu, KP's Director of Culinary Medicine and Chef at Thrive Kitchen, is here to help me pick out some fresh, heart-healthy ingredients.
Yeah, Mai, it's great to be here at the Farmers Market where we have all these beautiful vegetables that we can pair with some heart-healthy salmon full of omega-3s, some whole grains, and ingredients like this garlic, which can lower your cholesterol and your blood pressure.
I have the perfect recipe for this. I'm back from the Farmers Market at Thrive City, and I'm ready to make a delicious, heart-healthy, whole-baked salmon with chimichurri sauce. While the salmon bakes, let's make our chimichurri sauce with the herbs and garlic from Thrive City. So I'm adding the parsley and cilantro first. Here's our shallots, avocado to make the sauce creamy, our heart-healthy garlic, a little bit of vinegar for acidity, olive oil to blend it all together, a little spice with the black pepper, and coarse salt to just tie it all in. This cooked under 20 minutes and you have a heart-healthy meal for the whole family. I want to thank Kaiser Permanente and Dr. Xu for making this healthy meal possible. If you're in the San Francisco area, go check out Thrive City and the Farmers Market. For all things Thrive and Dine, hit the link in my bio.